everyone. Today, myself Mridal Pachpande, and I'll be teaching you coding and decoding. So, coding decoding is an important part, which is included in most of the aptitude related examinations. तो कोडिंग में बेसिकली हमको एक कोड दिया होता है, तो एक सेट ऑफ रूल्स वो फॉलो करता है. जैसे कि +1 का रूल हो तो जैसे A बन जाएगा B, C बन जाएगा D. -1 का रूल हो तो D बन जाएगा C और E बन जाएगा D. तो वैसे एक पर्टिकुलर सेट ऑफ रूल्स होता है जो कि एक पर्टिकुलर कोड को रहता है. और कोडिंग में विच इज़ अ प्रोसेस टू डिक्रिप्ट द पैटर्न, हियर हमको कोड दिया रहता है, उससे हमको एक्चुअल वर्ड जो है वो हमको समझ के लेना है. सो विल स्टार्ट विद द क्वेश्चंस and I request all of you to send the answers in the chat box, even those who have come to teach. Now, in a certain code, missions is written as MSIISNOS. How is online written in that code? First question, I will be doing it for you. So here, the technique is that first and last letter, which is M and S, these are remaining as it is, and other 6 letters, they form a pair of 2, which is IS. This gets reversed, which is SI. Here SI becomes IS and ON becomes NO. So in the same manner, online will become what? Guys, send the answer in the chat box.
Sorry ma'am, but we can't send you answer.
Send to everyone, na?
Okay.
Yes, the answer is correct. So here you can go by elimination also. So like O and E, na? So first and last letters remain the same. So check by the options. Only 2 options are there where first and last letters remain the same, which is first and fifth. And then go by reversing. The NLN will become ulta. So वैसे भी elimination wise भी you can answer the question easily. Now next question. If in a certain language Madras is coded as NBE-SBT, how is Bombay coded in that code?
Is second one the right answer?
Yes, second one is the right answer. So here there is a rule of +1. So M + 1 N, A + 1 B, D + 1 E, and then in the same manner B + 1 C, O + 1 P, M + 1 N, and hence the correct answer is option B. Let us move to the next question. Here in a certain code, triple is written as SQHOOKD. So how is dispose written in that code? Guys?
Is first one the right answer?
Yes. So here there is a -1 rule. So T -1 S, R -1 Q, I -1 H. In same way, D -1 C, I -1 H, S -1 R. That was quite quick. Next question. So in a certain code, monkey is written as X, D, J, M, and L. How is tiger written in that code?
Is first the right answer?
Yes. Can you explain it?
Here in the first monkey, if we reverse the letter monkey, then we get first y -1 we get x. So that way, if we reverse tiger, r -1 we get q, and only one option is.
Okay, nice. That was the same. Here the technique was So the letters of the words are written in a reverse, and then each letter is moved one step backward to obtain the code. Yes, you are right. Now, next question. Here, in a certain code, computer is written as RFUVQNPC. How is medicine written in the same code?
Option A is correct.
Option A.
Option A.
Yes, option A.
Can someone tell the technique?
First and last letter is reversed, and then next letter is reversed in the same form.
Only first and last is reversed, or whole word?
Whole
Whole
word is
word.
Whole word.
Yes. So here the technique is letter of the word are written in a reverse order, and each letter except the first and the last one is moved one step forward to obtain the code. Have you guys understood this one?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
The next question, in certain code,
कुणाल जी पीपीटी ती फुल स्क्रीन मध्ये कर बिकॉज द आन्सर तिथे शो होत आहेत बाजूला कॉर्नर मध्ये
फुल स्क्रीन कर बेटा.
आय थिंक F2 वगैरे असेल तुझ्या कीबोर्ड वर.
इथे इथं या साइड.
खाली खाली.
ओके.
okay, so guys, answer this question. In certain code, tiger is written as QDFHS. So how is fish written in that code?
Fourth one.
No. Can someone else answer? Try once again, Raj.
It's second option.
Yes.
Yes,
Who
second.
told this one?
Rehan.
Can you tell the technique which you used? Hello? Someone answered correctly. Can you tell the technique?
The first word is reversed, and then the letter before it is taken.
Okay. Yes. So reverse the word and move each letter -1. So reverse of fish is HSIF and subtract 1 from each letter. So H का हो जाता है G, S का R, I का H और F का E. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
The next question is, if victory is coded as YLFWRUB, how can success be coded?
Ma'am, option second.
Yes. What is the technique? Hello?
+2.
Yes. Skip 2 and it's actually +3. Yeah. So each of the letter is moved 3 steps forward to obtain the code. मतलब 2 letter skip कर दिए. So like victory का हो गया V. Wait. Yeah. So,
Ma'am, it's the same question.
yes, I was just explaining that. So T. Wait a second. हाँ. So S के बाद T और U को छोड़ दिया तो फिर नेक्स्ट आता है V. फिर U के बाद V और W गया फिर आएगा X. वैसे C के बाद D और E गया तो आएगा F. So this is the concept over here. So next, if in a certain code together is written as RQEGRJCT, in the same code, parole will be written as.
Skip the words backwards -2.
What option?
B.
Actually, the answer is A, NCPQJG. So the letters at odd positions are each moved 2 steps backward, and those at even positions are each moved 2 steps forward. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Thanks. I am concluding over here. So,
Thank you, ma'am.
did you guys find it interesting?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.